Hey guys, welcome back to the Cloud Homestead. I'm Ethan, and today we are going to be wiring up some lights and brakes and basically just rewiring this whole trailer. So let's get to it.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. That way you get notifications for next time. Thanks for hanging out with us.
We got our lights in. Got all the wiring yet to do underneath. We're going to fix the ramp storage area too. Using our crane today for the benefit of that. That'll make that a lot easier. You can come down here and see this junction block we're wired up. I don't know if it'll focus on that, but we'll just get that mounted up. Drill the holes in the frame a little bit bigger because they just have the bare wire going through for the wiring. And we put it in loom all the way back, so it'll be a little more protected. You can see it was plenty due for some new wiring. There's corrosion everywhere. So goal is to put some chain links here so we can store the chain up to, and I've got a tongue box, but I'm not sure if we'll be able to get that mounted up or not, but we're making progress. We still got the wheel bearings to adjust yet. They're a little bit loose, so that one's quite a bit loose. We'll be getting back at it. We got our junction block mounted. Our wiring's all ran. Loop the extra up around the front here. Got everything ran underneath. I don't know if that'll focus enough for that. Clean it up. Since I ran that in loom all the way back, we had to go through and open up all the holes to get the loom to fit through all the cross members. So we just got finished up doing that. Got to hook the tail light up on this side. We'll take the old tail light off the other side and put the new assembly in. And we've got a couple amber markers that we'll try to, I don't know if there'll be enough room up here in this front corner, mount them up. So, but making our way. It's moving pretty smooth. We got all this wiring tied up underneath here. Our ground stud there. Just grounding both these rear lights. I try to do as few grounds as I can instead of just grounding each light individually. I ran both of them together. We'll do the same thing up here with this marker light we torched in. So that turned out pretty good. So got our ground on a loop down there. We're gonna set her down and put the other marker light in on the front and hook the truck up and make sure everything works good. So stay tuned, here we go. All right, so we got her done finally. Turned out good. Ran into a bit of an issue. I guess that's what you get for buying stuff on Amazon, made in China. The wiring was not quite right in the plug, so we got all that switched around. Got our wheel bearings tightened up. We got brake lights, marker lights. Marker lights in the front finally. And didn't get my hooks welded on up here, but got plenty of extra cable. We actually turned out good. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.